Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we'll show you how to remove and replace the front strut bearing on Ford Fiesta MK7 2008 to 2017 model. Okay, that's the strut bearing guys, and if that thing goes bad, you hear turbo noise and sometimes you have jumping in the steering wheel as well. So definitely very inexpensive and easy to replace, but you have to remove the strut. We have the video how to remove the whole strut, so check it out. It's on our channel. Okay, so now let's go ahead, okay, and start from the beginning and show you how to remove the bearing. So we'll be using WD-40 penetrating oil to spray that nut there on top, because usually this one will have some rust and you want it to be able to remove it easily. Okay, we'll show you how to do it now. This is the spring compressor tool that we use. All the tools that we use will be listed in the description box of the video below. It's very important to place the locking pins in place, otherwise that thing can kill you. It still can, don't get me wrong. This is a little bit dangerous job messing with springs, because they're very dangerous, to be honest with you. That thing is really loaded, an amazing amount of force there. So always you have to stay out of the way, never stay in front and behind the strut. Preferably on the side, it still can get you, but lower chance. Okay, so we're installing the second one now there. Okay, locking everything in place. And now we're going to start compressing it by going a little bit on each side and then a little bit on the next side. Okay, ours are with 19mm. Okay, we'll go a little bit on the next side now. Okay, perfect, right there. Okay, and this is enough, because you can see we have room from the mount to the spring, so it means that we don't have any pressure. Okay, so the spring is compressed now all the way. You can see you have play, never stick your finger there, because if something happens it's going to fail and it can take your finger off. So here with a offset box wrench, okay, we're going to get the nut loose, but we have to hold the stem of the strut with an Allen wrench. Some will have a Torx wrench, really depending on the car. Okay, and if you get it loose often, you can use a little impact and pull it out of there after that. Always stay out of the way, never stay in front of the strut. Okay, and this is guys the bearing, okay, right here. So get a new bearing, put it on the mount, and we'll start putting it together now. And we'll need to install the nut. Okay, and if it's spinning, okay, let me show you how that thing works. Okay, you get an Allen wrench. Okay, in our case it's I believe it's a 6. Let me check. Yep, 6mm Allen wrench, and you're going to hold it with the ratchet like that. And one person with a box wrench will start getting this one tight. Offset box wrench. Okay, and you need to get it all the way tight, because you don't want to spin the stem of the strut. You can see it's almost there. Always stay out of the way. Okay, perfect. You can see that's how you get it tight. So that's how you guys replace the strut bearing, and the only thing left is to release the spring compressor too, and this is pretty simple. Just go a little bit on each side until it's loose. Okay, so not very complicated procedure at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.